In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in to Getaround app. So first of all, launch open Getaround application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At bottom, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option account that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find two options over here, log in and sign up. Simply tap on the option login. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to log into your account. You'll be able to find various login methods over here. You'll be able to find the options like continue with Google, continue with Facebook, and continue with email. Tap on the login method that you had used while creating your account. Here I'm going to tap on the option continue with email. If you've also done that, you can see over here you'll have to enter your email address. Simply provide your email address over here. After you do that, tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. What you have to do is enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can tap on the option forget your password and you'll be able to recover it. Otherwise, simply enter your password over here. After you enter the password, tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be easily logged into your account. So like this, you'll be able to log into Getaround app. Thank you for watching.